Look at this code and web page with some headings and paragraphs. In order to separate them, we use HR element. The HR element is used to separate content in an HTML page. The HTML pre-element defines preformatted text. If we write something in this, the text will be displayed exactly as written here. It preserves both spaces and line breaks. The text inside a pre-element is displayed in a fixed-width font, usually Courier. HTML attributes. All HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about elements. Oh ho! Let's start with an attribute called style attribute. In this paragraph, we are going to use this style attribute. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes usually come in name or value pairs like style equal, color, red. Wow! The color of the paragraph is changed. For this paragraph, let's say style equal, color, blue. This paragraph's now blue. Now, let style equal font size 50 pixels. Yeah! The font size is big for this paragraph. It's not just if this style attribute used in body element can change the color of our web page. Let's see style equal, background color sky blue. Remember the way I am writing. Let's change heading color as well. In this starting H1 tag, we write style equal color, green. And that's our heading becomes green. Changing the font of our text is also very simple. In this paragraph, use style equal, font family Courier. And we can see the changes in text. Font. Let say style equal, font family, cursive. This again changes text font. If you want to align this paragraph to center, type text align center. This will align the paragraph to center. If you want this heading to be aligned to right, type style equal, text align, right. Always remember the way I am writing. So far, with the style attribute we have used color, background color, font family, font size, text align. Style is not just a single attitude in HTML. There are many attributes which we will work with. In the next video, we will see text formatting elements, language and title attributes,